Gold is hitting all-time high after all-time high. Basically, every day we are getting a new high. And the question right now is, should you start buying gold? Actually, many people have been asking me in the past couple of weeks if they should start buying gold. And you know what that means. Usually, when the masses start asking if they should buy an asset, that's the time when it's usually too late. Let's talk about it right now. Which indicators do we see? Are they telling us to buy or sell gold? Let's look at it. We have here RSI, very overbought here on the daily, guys. On the daily, the RSI is massively overbought. We are basically almost at 85 on the RSI scale. This is super high. Now let's go over here to the 4 hourly. Again, very overbought right here. Also similar 83.5 on the 4 hourly RSI. That doesn't indicate that it's the time to buy. When the RSI is overbought, usually it's time to be patient and wait for a pullback. I already talked in my previous videos the zones where gold pull back to very soon. Let's see here, we dropped previous time to 4,361. That's where I think it's going to be a strong support, and the next one would be here at around 3,842. And I also heard from some people who are deep in the gold industry, like people in the jewelry industry, that they think $5,100 might be a local top for gold. Nevertheless, I'm not placing my trades on other people's opinion. I'm placing my trades based on technical analysis and fundamentals and indicators that we have right here. And we can see here, this one is a stochastic also. Okay, very high. We have the all-time high. Usually it's never a good idea to buy the all-time highs. You always want to buy the dips. If you're buying the all-time highs, you're basically buying after a massive run. There are so many people that bought before you and they are all in a profit. Those people will realize those profits at a point in time, and those people will basically sell to you. They will take their profits and you will basically buy into the highs. Never buy high, always buy low and sell high. Now, if you have been in gold for the past couple of years, then you're probably celebrating right now. You made some significant gains, I think around 200% in the past 2-3 years, which is quite nice for a very stable asset like gold. But right now, I would be cautious. I wouldn't jump into gold so much. I would wait, especially right now. So many people are talking about gold. They are running into the stores. There have been big lines in front of gold stores just because people want to buy gold. That's why I think it's a good idea to be patient and don't do what the masses are doing. We want to be sophisticated investors and traders, and that's why we are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the nice drops, especially when we have such nice opportunities in the stock market. Let's quickly check it out here. We have here Tesla, which is sitting also right now on a little bit of a pullback. Let's look at it. You see, it's not the high. I still think Tesla might drop a little bit because we have this double top formation here, so we might see a further drop. Let's see. Now we also reached a little bit of a local top. We tried to break above the 450. That didn't happen. We can see we got a little bit of a rejection here, and that's why I think we might see a further drop for Tesla. Maybe test the support here at 377. That's where I'm looking to buy some more, and I'll also buy some more in case we drop lower. I would start also buying here and also somewhere here, 320. That's our, I would definitely like to buy some more Tesla. Then we have here Nvidia, which is also on a massive run. We've been buying Nvidia on the recent dip here in October when it dropped to 165. We are up, let's check it out here, around 13%, stable. We were also up more, but I'm still holding my Nvidia for now. I'm looking actually to buy more because Nvidia performing very well. You can look at it. Let's go over here on the daily chart. That's where we can see that Nvidia did crazy gains in the past years. Look at this. Went from $10 up to 185 right now, over 1,652%. That's significant gains there. We can definitely see that Nvidia is not going to stop soon. I think the AI race is just getting started. AI is going to play a big role in the tech space, and many people are basically running to buy some more chips. So I think Nvidia still has a little bit of room to grow. It will probably grow over the next couple of years. Now, where would I buy some more? I would say here 175 is one zone and 170 the next one. Let's see, we also have a little bit of a head and shoulders here on Nvidia that might play out. So this one can bring us, this is probably a $30 move, so maybe we will see 120 Nvidia. I would be happy if it goes there. I would definitely like to buy some more. Now let's quickly also talk about Bitcoin, which dropped a couple $1,000 in the past couple of days. We can see the market is cooling off. On the daily, we are basically almost again oversold. So this shows us that there might be another buying opportunity very soon here on the daily. Let's see what else we have here. Let's check it out. We already touched the overbought zone, but we can see here we are not out of this down here. It doesn't look good. I would definitely like for Bitcoin to go above the $92,000 for us to have some hopium for a new uptrend. That was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.